हर साल एक ही बात आती है, बार बार ग्रैब नॉर्म्स लगते हैं।
We have to introduce fast track construction technologies. India is committed to reduce its greenhouse gas emission. Government of India started a mission called Life. Life mission is all about lifestyle for environment.
जब बात आती है विकसित भारत 2047 की, तो एक की पॉइंट बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, वो है सस्टेनेबिलिटी और हमारा एनवायरनमेंट, जिसको लेकर सब सवाल करते हैं, बात करते हैं, लेकिन हो क्या रहा है ये हम जान लेते हैं। हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर शैलेश अग्रवाल, फॉर्मर एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर हैं बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजी प्रमोशन काउंसिल के। सर, यहाँ पर अभी अगर हम दिल्ली का ही एनवायरनमेंट देख लें, सबसे पहले अगर बात होती है पोल्यूशन की ही, तो हर साल एक ही बात आती है, बार बार ग्रैब नॉर्म्स लगते हैं और उससे रियल एस्टेट पर भी बहुत ज्यादा असर पड़ता है। कहा जाता है कि अगर एक महीने के लिए काम रुकता है तो कितना ज्यादा जो पॉकेट पर असर पड़ता है, ना सिर्फ डेवलपर्स के बल्कि बायर्स के भी, जो आराम से नजरअंदाज हो जाता है कॉमन लोगों की नजर से, लेकिन उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत बड़ा होता है इकोनॉमी पर भी। आपसे यहाँ पर ये जानना चाहेंगे कि अगर हम बात करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी की और सस्टेनेबिलिटी की, तो क्या कुछ की पॉइंट्स हैं जिन पर फोकस किया जाता है, एंड हाउ कैन वन यूज टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर बेस्ट एफर्ट्स, ताकि आने वाला जो हमारा फ्यूचर है, जो हमारी फ्यूचर जनरेशन है, उनको वो सब डील ना करना पड़े जो आज की जनरेशन डील कर रही है।
तो जैसा आपको मालूम है कि वी वांट टू बिकम अ विकसित भारत बाय 2047, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव टू बिल्ड आवर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड buildings, housing pretty fast.
Yeah.
So we have to introduce fast track construction technologies without sacrificing or without compromising structural and functional performance, safety, sustainability and all. Also, as all of us know, India is committed to reduce its greenhouse gas emission. India wants to become net zero by 2070, and in the wake of climate change, you all know the extreme events our cities are facing. We need to incorporate environment-friendly green technologies, green materials into whatever we do. Even in our day-to-day lives, we need to, think of sustainability. That's why Government of India started a mission called Life. You remember that Life mission is all about lifestyle for environment. Let's be pro-planet people. Okay, so that's about our human behavior and activities in the construction sector. In 2019, being part of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Honorable Prime Minister, asked us to bring technologies, globally best technologies which can help us bring in sustainability, safety, environment friendliness, and whole lot of other things to ensure better quality of life and inclusive growth and all those things. We organized a global housing technology challenge in 2019, and through that challenge, whole lot of global players who were dealing with technologies, they participated in that global housing technology challenge, and through that challenge we shortlisted around 54 new technologies.
Okay.
So the basic premise of using these new technologies is, why do we do construction at the site? Can't we do construction off site?
Yeah.
So that's called, in India we call it factory made components. Can't we make the entire building in the factory and bring it to the site? I can give you umpteen number of examples. There are companies in India who have been doing this now.
Right.
So in 2019, when we did that challenge, through that challenge, we shortlisted these kind of technologies, which are other than, we call it business as usual construction systems. What is business as usual construction technologies? Like, if I ask you to construct, think of construction, you will call a contractor, you will get the material at the site, you will look for labor, contractor, and start doing
That's
your
the
house.
first thought that we get.
And let me tell you, now you can get a kit of your house and you can do it yourself. So those kind of things are happening in the country. So through that challenge, we as part of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, we are trying to promote those technologies, and we did some projects. We call them lighthouse projects. Lighthouse projects means the way lighthouse serves the purpose of giving way to ships. In a similar way, we wanted that the Indian construction sector should adopt those new technologies. So we did lighthouse projects. We are doing a whole lot of things, you know, to incorporate these technologies in the specifications and Indian standards so that they become the future technologies for the country.
So when you talk about challenges, then what are the challenges when it comes for these kind of construction? Because still, if we talk about pollution, if we talk about sustainability, if we talk about green building, what are the challenges that?
See, first thing, India is a price sensitive country. We all are driven by cost. So whenever we talk about any innovative material or sustainability, it comes with some certain premium. And how to, you know, counter that, what we are doing at Government of India level, we are trying to replace, you know, that costing which we talk about is the initial cost of construction. What about the cost which we incur when you start, you know, using that infrastructure or building? That's called operation cost, or that is called maintenance cost. Okay, and there is another component added with the cost is, once the service life of building is over, how are you going to demolish it? Are you going to recycle it? Are you going to use it again? So all these components added together, you know, give you life cycle cost. So we are talking about, if you use these technologies, if you use these innovative materials, you can always reduce the life cycle cost. So that concept is being introduced in the country, that let's not talk about initial cost of construction. Let's talk about life cycle cost. And the moment you talk about life cycle cost and you try to, you know, make life cycle cost low, you bring in sustainability and you bring in all these aspects we are talking about. Since you talked about dust and all, just imagine doing construction at site and bringing building components from the you know, factory,
and
there will not be any dust, and that's what is happening in, you know, during construction of metros, during construction of big flyovers and all. So
and
it's
we hope that we have that kind of future in
and let me tell you, there are you know, municipal corporations in the country who are trying to, you know, bring in these kind of guidelines, dust free construction. What should be the protocols and all. So the major premise is, instead of doing construction at the site, let's do it somewhere else.
Let's hope for that kind of future for our country. Thank you so much, Mr. Salesh.
Thank you.